Dear student, in this video we will learn the pattern in whole numbers and solve some question regarding the pattern. In the earlier videos we come to know what are the general pattern we can make from the whole numbers. Here we deal with the two questions. The first question is, which is the smallest number that can be shown as a line, rectangle and triangle? As we know, every whole number greater than 1 can be represented as a line. So there is no problem in the case of line. After that, rectangle. The number should be of that kind that can be represented in the rectangular and triangular pattern. So I start from number 2. If number 2 I take, then it can be represented as a line. So leave it. It can be represented in a rectangle or triangle. After that, 3 can be represented as a line, but it can't be represented as a rectangle. It can be represented only in a way of triangle. So after that, 4 is a square number. It can be represented in a line as a square also, but it can't be represented as a triangle. After that, 5 is also a number that cannot be represented as a triangle. Now we come on 6. Let us check for 6. 6 can be represented as a line. This is the first. After that, we have to convert this into rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This can be represented as a rectangle. And the another form of rectangle is this. Now these are the rectangular pattern of the 6, and now let us check for the triangular pattern. Triangular pattern, I start with 1 dot, after that 2 dot, and after that 3 dot. So this is the rectangular pattern. This is the triangular pattern. And this is a line pattern. So the smallest number is 6 that can be represented as a line, rectangle and triangle. Now next question is, which number can be shown both as a square and triangular numbers? Square and triangular. So which are the square numbers? I start from 4. First is 1 can't be considered. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. 1 can't be considered. 4 is a number that can't be represented as a triangular. Okay, now 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it also can't be represented as a triangular. Now 16 for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 1, this is 3, 6 and 10, and after that we need 5 only. 5. Then this is 15. But there are 16, the 1 dot is left, so 16 is also rejected. After that 25 is not possible to make the triangular number as we discussed earlier. Now therefore the required number will be 36. Now I will show you how. One and 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 1 plus 2. Now 5. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. Up to here we get 21. After that 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And therefore the counting is there 28. And after that we need 8 that satisfy the number 3, 4 and 4. This is 8. So it completes our 36. So I can take 36 can be considered as a number which make a square pattern and a triangular pattern. Okay. Now question number 4. Write the next two steps of the given pattern. Here the pattern is being given. We can think in so many ways that 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8, 12 multiply 8 is equal to this. This is a given pattern and we have to write the next two steps. Here you can see that if there is the pattern is going on increasing 8, single 8, double 8, after that triple 8, after that 4 times 8. Now the next pattern will be 5 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one will be, this is 5 and this is 6. If there is 1, then is 1 8. If there is 2, then there are 2 8. The pattern is starting from 2 8. And if there are 4, then the starting is from the 4 8s. And here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 3. After that 2. And after that 1. So in this way we can write the next two steps of the given pattern. So this covers the video for the numbers, whole number in the pattern manner. Thank you.